Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be working on the S2000 again. If you guys didn't watch the last video, we installed this big J's racing style wing. It's fully carbon fiber, it's nice, super nice on the car. I did finish the rear bumper already and the front bumper, so the entire car wrap job is basically complete. This is what the car looks like so far. We'll get you a few rollers, a few other little goodies later on in this video, but you guys have to stay tuned till the very end. We're gonna do maintenance on this car. We're gonna change out the oil and the spark plugs for this car, get everything situated and running nice and smooth. The boys are here. Mario, Mason, John are in the background. We're gonna head out to Walmart, get some oil for this car, and then we'll see you guys back in a bit. I mean, I'm pretty sure they tested their own products, right? He's watching that time. John's gonna work on his charge pipes and flex fuel kit. How long do you think it's gonna take, John?
I would take no more than 20 minutes each.
20 minutes?
For John, 6 years. Give me, no, 8 years.
Yeah, look at this.
We're also gonna fix that too. So if you guys don't know, I was driving on the freeway. I hit a few bumps and the screws came off. Old cap screws right here. Pop this boy out again. Also, if you guys didn't know, this S2K already came with chassis bracings. There's like one here and then one on the entire car underneath it. It's the blue parts. So it makes the chassis a little stiffer. I didn't notice too big of a difference, but it's there. Because I had another S2000 without it, and this one had it. There wasn't like a significant difference, but I mean I kind of felt a little bit of it, but barely though. We're gonna use a 6-point. If it's too tight, don't use a 12-point. 12-point might strip the bolt, so a 6-point should work. There you go. The moment of truth. If I can do it without getting any of it on my finger. Oh! I messed up. No, I'm just kidding.
Not too bad.
No, I got a lot on my finger though. Alright, let that drain out. Man, this thing was due for an oil change.
Man, you just... So what are you doing?
So the oil filter is all the way on the top of the car. It's not the top, but like, it's pretty high up there.
Okay.
Oh, we got it. Never mind, you don't need to take out the bracing. I thought for a second we did.
Well, now you know for next time.
Yeah, make sure. Oh yeah, never use a gun. Hand tight. And then tighten. Basically, cover the spark plugs right here. Undo it. Then it reviews your coil pack. This is a 10 mil. I usually use this spark plug. Well, this is just the one size that we have at home that actually fits inside the cylinders. So it doesn't actually clip in, so we tape it just in case, so we don't want to fall into the cylinder, you know?
But it does the job.
Yeah, it does the job. See these fingers?
Get some finger movements.
Yeah, I know. Hey, Jamar's single out here too. An easier way to take off these plugs that I've used is you take a flathead, you shove it in between it, and instead of pulling on it, you just give it a quick nudge, you know? There you go. Quick nudge. Push it down and give it a quick nudge. These are your coils. Keep all your coils in order so you don't mix them up. You're almost done. Tight on it, bro. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, like what? Yo,
Like your mom.
your butthole?
Alright, chill out. Alright, chill out, Jamar. I feel like this has never been cleaned before.
So big update.
Wait, something happened.
We're leaking.
Come on, Jason.
Come on, Jason.
I don't know if I can hit it.